Welcome back to my new video. One of my technician brought this phone to me and I asked him some question. What is the problem of the phone? He told me that there's a password in the phone. That so many technicians have tried to fly the phone. They could not because the charging port is not connecting. When they connect cable, it's not reading, it's not connecting anything to the system. By the technician, they tried to repair it. At the end, it's still proof abortive. He brought the phone to me to change the CPU. By the technician, I will change the CPU of the phone so that I'll be able to remove the password. I'll do it live here for you guys to see. The phone is charging, but it's not connecting to system. I think you get my point. By the technician, with that time wasted, let's make it the CPU remove. Check this out. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, you're free, let me know, okay? Check this out. First thing, I fix it on a PCB stand. Please make sure you fix it very well. Clip it very well, okay? Check this out. So take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know if you have any question concerning this, please. To get the CPU removed, first we have to remove the heatsink. Check this out. Check this out. I'm done. By the technician, if you check very well, you will see that during the process of removing the heatsink, I mistakenly hit one of the resistors here. Check this out. You can see I mistakenly hit it. So I will need to put it back. So when this happens, please don't panic. Don't think. Just make sure you use your reward station and carefully shift it to where it was before. And you're good to go. So let me do that now. By the technician, please, if you have any question concerning this, you're free. You can let me know. Check this out. I'm done. By the technician, the next thing is to get the CPU removed. Have in mind that the CPU is the brain of the phone. It's the central processing unit of the phone. Most technicians find it difficult to remove the CPU. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove it. Very simple. So if you don't know how to get this removed, you can learn it from me or you can learn it from anybody that knows how to do this. Because if you remove this and without knowing how to put it back, the phone will never work. And the phone will never work, okay? So don't try this. If you're not a professional, if you have not done this before, don't try this, okay? Check this out. Just get the CPU removed very clean without any damage, okay? Check this out. It's very clean, no bone, no damage. So this is another panel now. I want to get the CPU from this panel and swap. I think you understand my point. I mean change, okay? I'll get the CPU from this one and put it into that panel. You get my point now. So let me take my time to do this. No time wasted, okay? First thing is for me to apply heat. Check this out, but before you apply heat, make sure you apply best before you now apply heat. Check this out. The same process that I did in the other one is the same process that I will do here. You can see, I first of all carry up the heatsink before I put in my tweezers. And I'm good to go. No time wasted. Check this out. Very clean. Check this out. Very clean. If you have any question concerning this, you can let me know. Okay? Let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. You know I love you all. Let me know, please. Check this out. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the CPU. The next thing is for me to lower the temperature because it's not the same temperature I used to remove this shell. I mean the heatsink. So the one I used to remove this IC now is a very low temperature. It's not the same that I used before. Check this out. I take my time to do it and I take my time to apply the heat. If you don't know this, at the end you get the CPU damage. Okay? Check this out. Very clean and neat. Check this out. No damage, my dear technician. No damage. Check this out. Very, very clean. My dear technician, very clean and neat. I love this. No time wasted. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to use my solder wire and clean this. I need to clean the lift to violet. So make sure you take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Get it is solder weak and clean this. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Make sure you clean it very well. Check this out. Tone it and then clean it. No time to waste. My dear technician, no time to waste. Very, very neat, very clean, okay? The next thing is for me to do the same to the IC before I start reballing. Check this out. My dear technician, I know for sure a lot of technicians find it very difficult to do this. My dear technician, is simple, okay? It's simple. Before I finally knew how to reball IC, I spoiled like, I think it's up to wide eye 9 or 10 IC. Seriously, walking one before I finally knew how to do this. My dear technician, it's not something that I woke up one day and I knew how to do this. Put all your focus in this because this is what you want to do. So put all your focus, mindset, everything so that you'll be able to do it successfully. My dear technician, let's continue. If you have any question concerning this, you're free. Okay, you're free. Let me know. Okay, you're free. If you have any question concerning this, you're free. Let me know. If you have any question at all, you're free, my dear technician. Okay, let's proceed. Check this out. Very clean, my dear technician. I love this. So the next thing is for me to reball the IC. To reball the IC is the simplest thing any technician can do. My dear technician, make sure you set it very well. Okay, check this out. I take my time to set it very well. Check this out. If you have any question concerning this, you're free, okay? Check this out. The next thing is for you to put paste. This is soda paste, so make sure you put soda paste. Check this out. I know a lot of technicians find it very difficult to do this. Sometimes after doing this, all of the balls get short, okay? But don't worry, I will show you, okay? Don't worry, don't panic. I will show you how to get this done. Very simple, without time wasted. Check this out. The next thing is for you to clean it. So let me clean my own. Check this out. I'm cleaning my own. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. You can see I start blowing. Start blowing. Check the technique I use. Check the technique I use. You can see very lovely, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely. Wow, my dear technician, I'm done. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done. My dear technician, if you have any question when I ask me, you are free. The next thing is for me to, I don't know, they have paste. The main reason why I'm doing this, I want my reballing to be perfect, like clean. I want all the balls to come out very nice. I know some people don't used to do this, but for me, I like doing this, okay? Because I don't want to stress myself so much. I have to make sure I do everything at once. Check this out. You can add frogs after when you're done. Check this out. So let me remove and check if it is good or not. Let me turn for you guys to see. Check this out. Check this out. Let me clean it. Let me clean it when I'm done cleaning. That is when you will see everything. Check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. Okay? Check this out. So let me carry the IC off and show you. Check this out. Let me zoom my camera for you guys to really see. Check this out. 100% clean. 100% clean, my dear technician. No issue. All the balls stands on their own. All the balls stands on their own. So the next thing is for me to fix the IC. No time to waste, so let me fix it. Let me fix it so that's how give the phone to my technician to take it to the owner. No time to waste by the technician. The next thing is setting the IC. I know for sure a lot of technicians also find difficult setting this. Check this out, but I will set it. Anyway, it used to take me a lot of time to set these spots, not all that. So set it and you're good to go. You can see, I set it and I start blowing. Check this out, I'll be done. But the technician, have in mind that the temperature I use to put this IC is mode high temperature. If you use high temperature, you're going to burn the IC soon. And sure you're not using high temperature. After that, apply flux and then run it. Let's do the shaking. Let me shake the IC a little bit. Oh my goodness, it's shaking it. Oh my goodness. I love this. It's working 100%. Alright, technician, I love this work. I like seeing this thing. I love this work. This is what I want to do. This is everything that I want. I want to see reballing. I want to repeat. This is what I have in mind of doing my entire life. I know some people, I know they don't really want to do this in their entire life, but my technicians, I want to spend the rest of my life in doing phone. I want to work phone. This is what I want to do. It's something that makes me happy. I love electronics. Okay? I'm ready to put in all my focus on everything. What I need now is tools. If there's anybody that want to help me to get microscopic things, all the lamination machines. Guys, every machine that is used for phone. Alright, technician, please, I really want it, okay? Please, I really want it. Please. Alright, technician, let's continue. Check this out. I turn on the phone, you can see the phone turns on. The reason why the phone shut down is because of the cable I used to connect. So let me put the battery and then turn on the phone. Check this out. It's working 100%. You can see. Check this out. It's working. It's working 100%. Alright, technician, if you have any question concerning this, you're free. Let me know. Ask me question if you have any question concerning this. Alright, technician, I'm done.